Hi, I'm Joey Panic, and you're watching the Art Whisperer TV. I don't know about you, but I need a little relaxation after last weekend. There's a lot going on in Sarasota. And guess what? There's a lot happening this weekend. There's two events I want to tell you about. The first one, the Sarasota Ballet is offering another one of their great triple bills. This Friday and Saturday at the Sarasota Opera House. 3 great pieces. One in particular I want you to know about is by the choreographer Christopher Wheeldon. Now, Ian Webb, the artistic director of the ballet, is excited about it, but so is the entire corps. There's pieces of this choreography that they're spending a lot of time trying to get into their bodies. They're very intricate. They said to make sure and watch out for these moves. The ballet is excited about them. We should be excited as well.
I guess one of the biggest highlights in my whole time here is what you're about to see now in rehearsal, and that's a Christopher Wheeldon ballet called There Where She Loves. Well, it's just so different, and you sort of like watch it, and suddenly you have to go back and think, well, how did he do that? And visually, and also what's really interesting is his musicality and his choice of music. So for this piece, There Where She Loves, he's using Chopin songs integrated with Kurt Weill. So we have 2 sopranos and a pianist, so it's live music, and it is one of the most beautiful things I've seen for a very long time. It's a shame it's not a bigger cast, because everybody in the whole company wants to dance or be involved in a Christopher piece.
There's another one I want to tell you about, at Gee Whiz. Now, it started last weekend, but it runs through April 25th. SArtQ, a collection of about 14 local artists. These are amazingly talented people. They have an exhibit at Gee Whiz. It's called Process, and it takes you from inspiration to completion. You get to watch how each one of them worked, how they created their masterpieces. I was very lucky last week. Joe Arniker walked me through the entire series about a day before they set up, so I got to see it as it was in its process. Take a look.
SArtQ is a collective of, I don't want to say disenfranchised, but there really hasn't been a home for contemporary artists in Sarasota. There's several galleries have been closed, and even with the galleries here, it's really about giving Sarasota an answer when somebody asks you, where is contemporary art? And we wanted to be the answer to that. So rather than having to go all over town and find people's studios in their homes, in their garages, in warehouses, we're one location. Daniel Perales, another person that's inspired by a 17th century artist called Carlo Dolce, the Blue Madonna that some of you might be familiar with at the museum. He took that idea and took this blue cloth and gave it to local women to pose their thing, and it's about putting somebody into that sort of painting, and then about the process of what it takes to take that shot and how many takes, and the subtlety of just the move of a hand is the whole thing of a photograph. And these works are really about, they're about the degradation of memory, and about billboards, and how our memory and billboards are very similar, that you don't remember things in a video, you remember sort of a snapshot in time, and it degrades in the longer you have that memory. So when you were 8, I remember going to a fair and this kind of thing or whatever else, and it degrades down to just maybe a color or a thing or a Ferris wheel or a sound. And the same thing with billboards. They advertise these things. This is from a movie in the 1930s, and there was a billboard on the side of a building, and then all the things that happened in history over the time. The buildings changed, posters were put over it and scraped off, other things were added like graffiti and whatever else, but there's still the memory of that original thing, but then how time degrades it and adds to it, and that beauty that gets missed in the sort of weathering of things. And that's sort of what my art is about. And this one is inspired by the Fragonard painting, The Swing, and taking that and boiling it down to the same sort of thing, and doing the entire step of the process. So every step of my process is numbered. So from the first building of the materials all the way down to the signing of the painting, and they're all numbered on the painting.
So those were 2 of the great events that are happening this weekend. I encourage you to check them out. SArtQ, it's happening at Gee Whiz through April 25th, and the Sarasota Ballet has a triple bill this weekend at the Opera House. I'm going to get some rest before a very busy weekend. I suggest you do the same. I'm Joey Panic. I'm the Art Whisperer. I'll see you around town.